Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the theft of streetlights. Now we are driving on the Palisadoes Strip. We just went around the Harbour View roundabout and we're heading towards the Norman Manley International Airport. Now if you look at the street poles, they have streetlights along this stretch of road. 17 streetlights. Now this road takes you to the Norman Manley International Airport. And can you believe that people are stealing the streetlights? JPS, the Jamaica Public Service, who is there in charge of the streetlights, said that they spend up to 6 million a year. 6 million just to replace the stolen streetlights. Now, why would somebody steal these streetlights? It's very concerning because this road takes you to the airport. It's a very important road. It's a road that people use 24 hours a day. I mean, it's like people stealing the fence off the highway. It's just so wrong. Now, on the right is the Kingston Harbour and on the left is the Caribbean Sea. There are stones on the left, so it's not as bad, but to the right, that's the harbor. I mean, at night, accidents can happen, anything can happen. Now, in December 2022, JPS said they replaced 13 of the 17 street lights. 13 of the 17 lights were stolen. In August of 2023, they had to replace 16 of the 17 streetlights. 16 of the streetlights were stolen. That's not even 1 year. December to August. This is... And then when they steal the streetlights, it increases the chance of accidents. It deprives the road users of the lights and the service they deserve, and it increases accidents. Now, if people, and I think similar things used to happen with the railway line, the railway track, bridges, manhole covers. I mean, this is not right. So guys, let me know what you think. And I'm wondering, what do they do with these streetlights? Can these streetlights fit in your regular home? Can they be used in the home, or are they a special size? I have no idea why people are doing this, but it's wrong. And it's Jamaica is progressing. And I mean, every time Jamaica progresses, you have things like this happening. So guys, let us know what you think about this. But to know that this is the road that takes you to the airport. Now, the police have gotten involved. And the ministry, government ministries and agencies have gotten involved. The Ministry of Local Government. And although we are highlighting this road because it takes you to the airport, this is something that's happening all over the island. The stealing of streetlights. So guys, let us know what you think. And I guess cameras could help, but I mean, with the JPS is trying to work out different, trying to see what they can do basically to stop this. But in December, they replaced all 17, and by August, 16 out of the 17 were stolen. So this is a very serious problem. And the government is planning to put streetlights on the highway from Harbour View to Yalos. It's a much longer stretch of road, so it's going to be a lot more streetlights. And they have to come up with some way to stop this, because they're just going to steal those streetlights as well. Alright guys, let us know what you think about this and what you think that can be done to stop this from happening. Alright guys, have a good day.